I have achieved almost all serious New Year resolutions that I have made for myself. Whether it is losing 20 kgs of weight, whether it's traveling to 15 cities or saving 5 lakhs of rupees, I have achieved them all. So if you want to know my secret, please watch the video till the end. Hey guys, so this is Achintya Gomath. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ideas that you can take for New Year resolution, which will be best for engineering students, and I will also talk about the strategy that you can apply in order to achieve these results. So before we begin the video, I would like to make a humble request. So please like the video. We are taking a like target of 250 likes. कितने like target रखते हैं? 2022 आ रहा है, ठीक है. So 350 likes. So like target is 350 likes. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't done. So the first idea is the most special and very close to my heart. Giving a gift to your parents from your self-earned money. So this is the most special feeling you must have seen on LinkedIn. Like people are posting a photo of taking their parents to a restaurant with their first salary, first stipend. So this is very special. I have myself given a watch to my mother with my first salary. This is very special, unparalleled. Like this happiness is very, you cannot compare it with anything. So you can definitely do it. How can you make money? You can either get a job, you can get an internship, or freelancing opportunities. So if you are looking for a job, let me tell you, you can get with the help of Relevel. Relevel has sponsored this video. Let me tell you about Relevel in brief. It is a hiring platform. You can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest companies are hiring on Relevel. 200 plus leading companies trust Relevel like Cred, MoEngage, Meesho, 1mg, Upgrad. How does it work? You have to just register for the test, take the test, interview with employer, and accept the offer. It provides you opportunities in tech, non-tech as well. The minimum package for tech roles is 6 LPA, non-tech is 4 LPA, and average package hired here so far is 8 LPA. Let's look at some of the tests offered by Relevel. So it's providing you opportunity in business development for non-technical, business analytics for technical tests. It has front-end development, back-end development, data analytics, full stack development. On recent popular demand, they have recently added full stack development. Let's look at the syllabus for full stack development. There will be 2 rounds, as I have told you already. In the first round, the first part will be MCQ. 40 MCQ will be asked based on basic programming fundamentals. Second part of first phase will be DSA Algo. You have to solve 2 DSA problem. Once you clear the cutoff of that, you will be eligible for second phase. In that, you have to create a backend functionality. Then you have to create a front end feature, and then you will be facing the interview. All of that will happen on the same day. You can also see the detailed syllabus by clicking here. Let's look at the syllabus for backend development. It has the similar syllabus. In first phase, there will be 30 MCQs for basic programming fundamentals. Then DSA problems, 2 DSA problems will be given. Phase 2, you have to create a features. Then you have to optimize it. It's just backend, no front end. And then there is an interview. You can check out the detailed syllabus. So let's look at how you can book a slot for a test. So it's very simple. You have to just select the test you want to go for. Like you want to go for backend development, click at book your free slot. You have to sign up or log in. If you have already have an account, you can just click on login. Sign up is very simple. You have to just sign up, provide your mobile number, enter your name, your location, and that's it. Very simple sign up process. I have already created an account, so I will just enter my OTP and go to the next step of booking my slot. So here you can select the date where you want to take a test. So it's going to be a whole day test. So please make sure you select a date where you are properly available. You can select any date which is shown, or you can also select any other date where you are when you are available. You can go to January. 8 January I want to select date. You can click on book test, and it will send you reminders on your email ID as well. You can look at your admit card, etc. And also you can give some mock tests. You can look at achievers. Okay, now let me show you some of the achievers who got a job with the help of Relevel platform. Shreyansh Sancheti got a job in Wingify. Anshu Jindal got a job in Wingify, Saifur Khan got a job in Wingify, Vishwas got a job in Relevel, and so on. You can see hundreds of students who got a job in different companies with the help of Relevel. Once you give your test, you will get a chance to feature on Achievers Leaderboard, Relevel Achievers Leaderboard. You will get, if you top the leaderboard on weekly, monthly basis, you will get opportunity to win a MacBook, iPhone, iPad, and lots of other goodies. You can see a lot of students have win their first job, first internship, first everything with the help of Relevel. You can also feature here and gets a lot of motivation for your preparation. So this was the path for job. But if you are a student from second year, third year, job is not an option, then you can definitely do an internship, some freelance project, and earn some money. You can definitely learn some skill, make some projects in that. I will recommend you web development. It is easiest to get some work in it. Other skills are also good, but very difficult to find work in it. Web development is easiest. So if you want to make some quick money, web development will be the best way for you. So this can be an extremely good New Year resolution. gifting something to your parents from your own self earned money. Don't make कि यार मैं पॉकेट मनी से बचा के दे दूंगा या पेरेंट्स से जो पैसे मिले उसे सेव कर करके दे दूंगा, नहीं, वो भी मत करना. सेल्फ अर्न करना with the help of some job, freelance opportunity or some internship only. So this is a very interesting idea. Like you must be hearing a lot, you should have financial literacy, you must be aware of what are the financial options. Okay, so I am not won't want to give you some generic idea, I want to give you a specific goal. So second idea is to invest an amount from 10,000 to 50,000. Any amount you can invest, 10,000, 15,000, 12,000, 17,000, depending on how much money you have, in multiple options of investment. Like you can think of like mutual funds, you can think of stocks, you can think of crypto, NFTs. You must be hearing lot of terms online, and make an investment in return of up to 25%. And also I'm not saying to bet money कि यार sports betting कर दी etc कर दिया, वो सब नहीं करना है. You have to invest money in proper investment channels. You can invest in stocks, you can invest in crypto, you can invest in NFTs, all these options which are there online. The purpose is to not make you rich. अगर पैसा ही कमाना purpose होता तो I would have added into the first idea. The purpose is to make you aware about all the financial options, so make you aware about so increase your financial literacy, which is not part of our formal education curriculum. So that's why I'm giving you as a second idea. So your target is to invest at least 10,000 and a maximum of 50,000. Third idea is very common, but it is very, very essential. If you are an engineer from a software background, there can be no skill more important, essential for your success than DSA. So DSA Vijay conquer DSA by solving at least 300 problems. Why 300? Because if you want to cover all the length and breadth of theory of DSA, all the topics, all the methodology, all the pedagogies, all the patterns, all the strategies, all the algorithm, then you have to at least solve 300 problems. That's why. So I'm making a detailed video on this. I'll be posting after 1 or 2 weeks how you can solve 300 problems in structured order in any language, C++, Java, Python. So you can watch that video for detailed strategy. But there's a lot of material available on internet. You can follow that and solve at least 3 to 5 problems per day. It will take you around from 2 months to 3 months. So make a strategy, make a plan, make a resolution that you will solve these 300 problems in next 3 months, right? So this can be a third idea which will definitely help you throughout your life. It is not only relevant to you for your first job or internship, it will also help you when you go for switch after 1 year experience, 2 year experience. If you want to switch your job, you will be needing GSA. If you want to switch your job after 3 years, you will be needing DSA. If you want to switch your job after 5 years, you will be needing DSA. If you're working in a company after 7 years, you will be taking interviews. You will be asking questions to students, engineers who are coming for interviews regarding DSA. So you will be needing DSA throughout your life. तो एक बार कर लो, अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लो, सारी थ्योरी सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लो और एक बार इसका यार काम तमाम कर दो, DSA विजय कर लो और इसे खत्म कर दो, ठीक है. तो थर्ड रिजोल्यूशन इज अ गिफ्ट टू योरसेल्फ. गिव अ गिफ्ट टू योरसेल्फ बाय सॉल्विंग DSA 300 plus problem. I am creating a detailed video on this which will be launched on a channel after 2 or 3 weeks. Mid of January I am going to launch it. You can watch it, and also there is a lot of help on the internet itself. Next idea is very important. It is very confused, like people misinterpret it a lot. It's about self-care, your health, your personality. It's not about losing weight. Like it's not like all the thin people are very healthy or all the fat people are in a very bad health. You will see a lot of people who are very thin, who are very young, they are like having lots of problem. You must have heard about film celebrity Siddharth Shukla, who was very young and passed away with a heart attack. So we are seeing many cases of 26-year-old, 30-year-old students, professionals who are passing away at such a young age. So self-care is very important. It's a combination of many things: proper diet, proper mental health, proper workout, etc. Your emotional well-being, how you're connecting with your family members, your friends, your partners, emotional partner, relationship persons, etc. So please make sure you take care of that. I'm giving you a broad category. You can have any specific goal within it. Like you can have I will connect with my friend, I will connect with my partner, I will connect with my you can have a goal like I will spend more time with my family, I will spend more time with my mother, with my father, with my brother, etc. You can have these kind of goals within it. Personality section, you can work on your communication, your English, your grammar. You can have specific goals for your New Year resolution regarding this, because this is going to help you a lot in a long term. So the last idea we are talking about, it's very important. Let me explain. You must have heard like be a rebel, but for a cause. Like it's very good to be aware about something, connect with something. So we must connect with some social cause. It can be anything. It can be an ideology. It can be some community service, like you are connecting with your religious institution, your temple, your gurudwara, your church. You are going there. You are helping underprivileged people. You are connecting like blood donation drives. You will see lots of drives happening to provide warm clothes for people who don't have them, who are living like around the streets, etc. So you can connect with these kind of causes as well. You will see there is a lot of initiatives in your colleges as well to teach students of underprivileged backgrounds who don't have proper access channels. So you can definitely choose and pick any such cause which you are connected with, whether it's political, non-political, social, religious, whatever it is. Don't think about this is good, this is bad. Every cause is good. Every cause has some supporters and every cause has some opposers. Okay, so don't worry about it. Every cause is justified in its own way. Okay, so whichever excites you, go and connect with it. Like you can have like, I will make people aware about blood donation drive for in the next 2 weeks, 100 students. I will make 500 students aware about this change.org petition on climate change, etc. I will plant 100 trees, I will plant 200 plants, etc. And I will collect funding for some old age charity fund, etc. You can have these kind of causes and you can connect with them. You can look around you what are charities out there. If you want some ideas, you can connect with us. I can connect with you a very good charity which works for people who have migrated from like Pakistan, Bangladesh, the minorities of there who are settled in some places of India. So you can definitely go and create some fundraiser for them because they are living in very subhuman conditions. Okay, so you can definitely find a cause which helps you, which excites you. I am connected to many causes which excites me. You can definitely do that and be a part of larger community. Don't just be restricted to yourself like मेरा परिवार हम खुश रहे. Be connected to your community, to your religion, to your nation, to your society at a larger level. Now we talk about the strategy that you can follow for these 5 ideas and as well as any ideas in general. So you have a larger goal. Let's say you want to lose 20 kgs weight in 3 months. So what you have to do, break that large goal into smaller goals. कि मुझे इस हफ्ते में कितना कम करना है, 2 हफ्ते में कितना कम करना है, 1 महीने में कम कितना करना है, how much I have to lose 1 week, 2 week, 1 month. So break that large goal into small weeks. Okay, I have to first lose watery weight, then I have to break my fats and so on. Okay, I want to learn about financial literacy. So first I will learn about stock, then mutual fund, then I will learn about cryptocurrencies, then I will learn about NFTs, then I will learn about FDs, etc. And divide the larger problem into small parts. You must have heard about dynamic programming. So what we do in that, we take a larger problem, we divide it into small problems, we solve individual problems, and then we combine the solution to create a larger solution. Okay, so that's what you have to do. First step, break a large problem into small problems and solve them. Second, measure your success at a regular level. So what happens if you are losing weight? Measure your weight every day. रोज अपना वेट मेजर करो. सुबह उठो, रात को सोने से पहले, सुबह उठने के बाद, whenever you want. I track my weight every day, every morning. I take my weight कि आज कितना हुआ, 98, 97, 96, जितना भी वेट आया, track it. Keep it in a register, in a mobile, wherever you want. I keep it like stack. I only keep track of my last day, like कल कितना था, आज कितना है. तो I push pop and keep track of only last day of my weight. So you can take off any strategy which you want. And if you look at any idea, any person who will suggest you on internet, wherever, they will always tell you, please keep track of your progress. This is very, very important. You can do it daily, weekly, on a monthly basis, depending on which goal you have set for yourself. Third is very important. You tell it to your close one, your friends, your family members, your relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend. You can tell them and ask them to remind you on a regular level. So होगा क्या कि you will like कि आपने DSA का गोल रखा है, ठीक है, आपने अपनी मम्मी को बता दिया, प्लीज़ रिमाइंड मी ऑन मंडे, कि मुझसे पूछना ये 5 प्रॉब्लम करिए कि नहीं करिए. तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में रहेगा यार मंडे आ रहा है, मम्मी पूछेंगी, है ना, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड पूछेगा कि ट्यूसडे को कि तुमने प्रॉब्लम्स करी है नहीं करी है, हैव यू डन इट देम और नॉट. सो पब्लिक शेम विल वर्क टू योर एडवांटेज. डोंट अनाउंस इट पब्लिकली कि इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक पे आपने डाल दिया. तो होगा क्या कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल टेक पोक फन एट यू एंड मेक मॉक यू एक्सेट्रा. ओनली टेल यू टू द क्लोज वन, पीपल यू ट्रस्ट, पीपल you respect, people who care about you, your friends, close friends, your family members, etc. So that will definitely boost your morale to achieve more. Last and very important is following post achievers, like people who have lost weight in the past, people who have achieved job in the past. Like if you are solving DSA, then you can follow people who have solved those problems in the past. If you are like investing money, you should follow people who have invested money in the past. If you are working for some cause, follow people who have worked for that cause in the past. You can connect on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. This is very helpful. They will share relevant content, articles, YouTube, motivational posts, their journey. So that really help. You can connect with me or other people, etc., for these kind of contests. So 4 strategies I have suggested. First, divide a large goal into smaller goal. Second, track on a very regular basis. Third, tell your closed ones and ask them to remind you on a constant period. Fourth, follow top achievers of that goal on social media. So I hope I've given you all the information. I've given you 5 ideas which I thought will help you in your career in a very positive way. You can also think of any other ideas. I've also given you 4 strategies that you can apply which will work for these 5 ideas, and as well as any other New Year resolution idea. If you have any other suggestion, any query, you can definitely ask us in the WhatsApp or in the comments section, or you can WhatsApp us as well. We are always eager to answer your question, and a very happy New Year to